welcome to this morning. Let me just go put a damn t-shirt on. I think that's it. So, last day I was in work, I made the dumb decision to leave my hat in the locker without thinking. So, we're going to be trying on my weird Russian hat today. You know, hat. Yeah, fix my watch. Yeah. What percentage is that? 56. That's brilliant. Really did. What about charge then? No, we may have a problem with the watch. Oh, shit. 1 second, let me look it up here. Basically, the rubber stopper's gone. Why did I do not know? Yeah, I'm definitely not seeing it. It's coming up for 20 to 8. Can't walk up with that thing. That's gonna annoy me. Where the hell am I even? Might not be the best looking thing in the world, but keeps it on tight. Let's try Russian hat. I don't know. Hat is hat. Alright, I'll hold it. I'll just grab another thing. I could rather go for this look today. Yeah, sure. Because my hair is green here. Yeah, I wanted to wear the shirt, but it wouldn't work with that other thing, so. Alright, we have 12 minutes till we need to go in the bathroom, then I'll leave because I want to go get McDonald's breakfast. Shoes. Good news, I don't need to do this because I actually found the little piece. I'm actually that's great. I spotted it there in the forums. Yay, I can look normal. Ish. No, my wrist can't. Just gonna meet myself up a little bit. That's one of the so that's good enough. I need to just grab a couple of things and then go to the bathroom. Oh, here, Mother Russia. See you in the bathroom. I'm not gonna brush my teeth. In fact, on second thought, because we're almost 10 minutes in, I'll see you on my way to the bus stop. And then I'll show. You just forgot where you were. Fucking hell.
And in case you forgot how to walk. No, you.
No, just walked up. Screw right. Whose idea was this? Wait, I'm not feeling that canteen in there. Forgot about that until literally 2 seconds ago.
Shit, I know that up the stairs.
Shit, what? I can't keep go down them, but we can't go up them. There's probably some joke in there.
Yeah.
Ah, that's right. My idea actually works. That's not how it normally happens. It's like, they are stereotypes. I don't even know what the fuck we are. No, we're just standard psychopaths.
You're more than me.
Duh!
You have to be psycho, isn't it?
Well, at this point we're pro. Is it? We're Olympic level psychopaths. Damn, it's been wonderful. Damn. So I'm gonna have to wait because I'm very hungry. See, the problem is if you eat at McDonald's for breakfast, you're gonna want more food.
Did you have a McDonald's or what?
I had an egg McMuffin
Ew.
and some one of those kind of caramel drink thingies.
Oh, good. I like it.
It's like they're one of the coffee ones. It's one of those kind of weird ones. I think Shannon made it weird so I think I'm more like the Mr. Pro as well too, so it might work. Now the fun part after a blank comes down, it's going to be just an extra chromey homie. Careful the hobbit won't die. Nah, it's an insult to gremlins. How can you do that job and not eat half of it? It's like, of course we would. I mean, in Japan you can get vending machines that sell you underwear because of course you can.
Yeah, because it's Japan.
I want to go there just for the vending machines. Is Surrey in a lift in Scotland?
Are you actually trying to get help?
The minute I walk over that line, I get sliced in two. Thank you very much for that. Okay, enough warm up, upwards. Yeah, no shit. Goodbye, privately. Okay, so Mr. Neglectful is crawling back. So I think yesterday's vlog got loaded. I never actually changed it. So work outside, it's 6:20. So the last footage I believe was me and my friend running down the stairs at college on that will be our first break. So let me give you a brief rundown. I was watching. Yeah. So I'm just gonna find something to watch and then find something to watch and then also I'll talk and then I'll find something to watch. Because this will probably be a 1 year longer update show since I've missed a few. So basically, I left the house, right? I walked for Charlotte Burns, done my usual thing, went to the bus, went and got my egg McMuffin and my usual coffee latte. Waited on the bus with my friend Chloe, so we got the bus and then went to college and we ended up watching this Glasgow Scottish film nonsense. I mean, sure, it's a relatable story for some, but it's like, just for me, it's a bit of a movie. And then we had lunch, which was really good. Then it was the last class, which was the painting the shoe. Now, I actually made I wish I'd taken a picture. I don't know if I could take a picture for 2 weeks now, but it's like, I did stupidly well on that. So, yeah, at first I hated it, right? We had to put all this acid stuff on the shoe to kind of get rid of any dirt or anything, like just kind of bored me. We had to do it outside in our bare hands in December when it was fucking freezing and icy outside. It's the most annoying feeling ever. So yeah, and then a couple of weeks ago we had to paint. I had to give my shoe 6 coats of white paint. And today I kind of was doing my kind of camel design with the random colours and the face, and as a joke, me and my friend wrote on the front of our shoes the words, "Why so serious?" Just for fun, so yeah, just having a laugh. And then, I came back here. Me and my friend got on the bus, so yeah, that was interesting. And then came back here and also walked like they stay literally all over in that direction, all those kind of that house and stairs. And yeah, so that was that. Also, the weather. The weather earlier was so bad. Like, absolutely terrible, the weather earlier. It was hailstones and rain, and it's gone now, but it's like, me, Corey, and Angel are going to hang out after college. I was actually going to meet them originally at the bus stop when I got off at Silverburn, but it just never happened, so yeah, didn't really take me long to describe my entire day. Well, nearly. So then I came home, did my dishes, had my dinner, sat about for probably the last hour doing absolutely nothing. So yeah, that's been my day so far. Again, 20 past 6. Well, it's not quite 20 past 6, it's now 23 minutes past 6. So I'm probably just chilling out looking at stuff on YouTube. In fact, let's find something to watch. Oh, I watched that because I've not watched that channel in a week, Anna Song's channel. Anyway, I'll see you guys probably around 7. Okay, a bit late, it's 20 to 9. Yeah, I was about to see you at 7, so I didn't do a 7 o'clock update because I thought, a bit too soon after the last one. And then I was just distracted completely between then and doing the dishes. Being here for about 12 minutes, I've just been fixing some stuff on the shelves. So I've then put the light off, I'll try and put something on the TV. This isn't the longest vlog, and all, but it's quite clear why it's not the longest. You know, mostly because of, you know, the ones where I've got college is like, think about it, I'm in college when it's a full day. I'm in college from 9 o'clock till 3:30, right? See what's 9 plus, 9 plus 3 is 12. Plus 2 is 6 hours, right? I'm in there for 6 hours. And that's 6 hours where you're barely going to get any footage. So when you think about it that way, it kind of makes sense that there's not too much content, but well, Lego Star Wars Spring says, you know what, I'm not surprised anymore because stuff like that, it just keeps getting cancelled repeatedly. I'm going to put Ninjago on because I'm blitzing through that series and I actually want to see more of the outcome. Netflix. Oh yeah, I made tea. I've got some Netflix cakes. I know, again, yes, it's weird, but I like doing this. That is a very nostalgic show. Very nostalgic. For those of you wondering what I'm actually watching Netflix, I'm watching Ninjago, The Office, Afterlife, which I need to finish because that was funny. Trailer Park Boys. By the way, Trailer Park Boys and Rick and Morty are rewatches. And of course, F is for Family.
What's happening?
Got married as a dildo, that's what's happening.
Oh, Kevin.
Go back in there.
Well, I don't get copyright for any of that audio you guys just heard. That would not be great. Nope. I'll put the light back on a second. Before we continue, I'll get a cup of tea. Get a cup of tea. I've already got a cup of tea. Season 5, Episode 9, Curse of the World, Part 1. Oh, speaking of which, if you saw yesterday's... Oh, wait, it's up there. Well, no one was making... I've got that guy that has all the Star Wars sets and minifigures I plan to collect. I did the same thing for Ninjago. So, as far as the minifigures go, I only went up to the very start of 2018 and included 2 minifigures. Yeah, that, I don't know why, but again, it's one of those things like, If I want more minifigures, I'll have to add it to another section of the book if I rule it. It just depends how far seasons go if I go sets. But yeah, I completed the Metric Work 236 minifigures that I'm after. And here, so I won't do, like for instance, this is all of the Ninjago 2011 sets, right? So, there's a couple I don't like, and you're probably thinking, if you don't like them, why are you going to buy them? Simple. I would like to do a video. This is a type of video that I will never, ever be able to do with Star Wars. Never. Right? I don't think I will ever be able to do a wave review or a year review on a Lego Star Wars thing. Ever. It's just how expensive Star Wars sets tend to be, and yeah, it's just outrageous. Whereas Ninjago, I'm not going to buy every Ninjago set from every year. For me, it's 2011. Just the first year, I'd like to have all the sets from the very first year of Ninjago. After that, only the sets I actually care about from the other year. So that's kind of my goal with that. Yeah, another drink here. So, I'll actually connect the back to work on this. At 9:30, I will be going through to put dishes away and shit. I have college tomorrow, but the way that's working, basically, well, I'm not working again. I'm working again till Saturday. It's a 5 till 9 shift. That's not bad. I'll have to leave earlier to get to work, unfortunately, but that still ain't the worst thing in the world. Best part is that tomorrow is only afternoon college, so I can get to sleep a bit longer. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna get to work on this. I'll see you guys around 9:30. I'm just gonna go check my door. Yeah. So I got news. I have booked my ticket for Jackass Forever, which makes me very, very happy. Also got snacks and shit. I'm trying to ship points. So it's 10:15, right? So yeah, I was able to update you guys at 9:30, like I intended. It just took so long to book it, find the cinema and all that. And I booked, and it won't let you book one ticket at a time, but this whole £3 ticket deal, because that's like £7 off a ticket. Right. So yeah, I'm really happy. I will be going by myself. Mostly because it's not possible for anyone to go with me, because it's like, I tried to book a second ticket. First of all, it kept timing out before you could, oh yeah, I need to keep that handy for when I go to see the movie, because it's extremely mandatory. Plus, by the time I get things like popcorn and drink and all that, I should only be coming out £10. I was almost £4 because there's a 75 pence booking fees online. Because of course there is. But all that crap is, pretty standard. I need to sit and watch that. I think I'd enjoy that because, Danny DeVito. I might give that a watch. Anyway, so yeah. It's at 10:30 Saturday night at Silver Run. So I'm working that night, but I'll be well back. So I get out at 9 o'clock. And what I'll do is, by the time I get back here, say it's like, say we're around, 10, let's say 10:15. I change into better clothes, I leave. I go into Tesco, quickly grab a couple of snacks, because it's gonna be fucking extortionate at the cinema, right? I'll get the drink and the popcorn at the cinema, just because that's part of the whole thing. But I'll get a second bag of popcorn, from Tesco, and a couple of gummy sweets and all that. Just give yourself a tamed. Although I tell you one thing, I hope to God I don't fucking talk long. It'll be embarrassing, but sometimes I can't help it. So I never got onto that. I wanted to write the title. So I'm gonna work on that for a bit. Given that it's 20 minutes past 10 right now. Yes, I've got the camera once or twice. I'll see you guys at 11 with some progress. I need to put Ninjago. I'd rather continue Ninjago stuff. If I will remember, my put It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia because Danny DeVito amuses me. I never used to be able to watch multiple series at once, but it's something I've been okay with lately. Top searches, let's see what's in that. Can I find it here? Fuck no. Yes. Right. Put AL and it should pop up. There it is. Okay, I'll see you guys at 11. So it's 11 o'clock. I made progress. I've filled in all the 2012 things. See, it's not everyone. I think it's like minus 5 of them. See, whereas 2011 I will collect the full year because I'm not going to get a lot of good videos out of it. 2012 was kind of the same. No, I won't do that, but the earlier years in Ninjago have more sets that I'm interested in. So as you can see, I'm still in my clothes. Let's fix that. So yeah, I'm going there and there. A series that I know for a fact stars Danny DeVito. I'm in the third episode of season 1 and still know Danny DeVito. I might just Google what point the show he joins because, well, the show's actually alright without him, but Danny DeVito is Danny DeVito. I think I've just summed that up perfectly. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of sets here, but the thing I'm loving about Ninjago, like other than like 5 sets, which aren't really ones I'm going to buy, it's stupid cheap, like compared to Star Wars anyway. It's like ones in particular, all the old sets, like the most that any of the sets I want is like 150. Like no, not even that. The most expensive depends on condition. Again, my budget is 100. There will be a couple slightly over that I'll get eventually. But no, again, the way I'm doing it, if I can get it sealed within that budget, I'll store it away under here. If I get it used in that, can only get it used within that budget, it goes on a shelf. Anyway, I'm gonna go try and find the episodes with Danny DeVito. I'll see you guys at a couple minutes to 12 where we can end this one out. So yeah, and I'll show you what progress I've finished 2012. So let's get 2013 and 2014 done. So it's not midnight, it's actually 20 past because I just put my phone on charge so I can have enough battery to use the flash. So let's do our usual routine. This pen is an asshole. See if I can cover it up using this pencil crayon thing. So 2 weeks until my 18th. Sorry, 18th. Oh, fuck idiot. 2 weeks until my 19th. That's crazy. Also, either tomorrow, or either technically today since it's Thursday, or tomorrow, which is Friday, my little package is arriving. So technically, mine only go by and says sets, as in a box set, right? So I can order a poly bag, which is the Ninja Kai, the red one, and a tiny dragon. So, by now I said I had run out of kind of YouTube content in general. This fixes that, at least for a little while. See, there on Tuesday I had a US net, and also expecting Friday, that's secure. Then, on Tuesday coming is the March update. Then on Tuesday after that it'll be the review the polybag, and after that on the weekend after that it's trip to the Lego store. So on the Tuesday there I'll have a new sets to review. I'm sorted. I'm really happy that I got my Jackass ticket sorted. Absolutely stoked to go see that. I'm actually super excited. So yeah, I got to see that in 2 days. So honestly, that entire work shift, I'm gonna be smiling. Even though I bet it'll be a pretty shit shift. Anywho, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Peace out.